stupid water shoes hurt my feet so bad. It is not easy hiking out here. This should be some good old-fashioned spooky fun. The idea behind all of this is I want to see if we can find Uper lights up here in Canada, aka fluorescent soda lights. I have no idea if they're up here or not, but I know that the fluorescent boulders up in the UP get dragged down to the States from Canada. That's where they originated. There are some bigger animals up here in Canada, namely moose, which there's signs everywhere not to drive at night. I did carry the bear spray with me this time, you know, just in case. I'm not sure how nocturnal bears are. Okay, so my car is down that way, and I just go down this way. That is a crazy big tube. Check that out. Beautiful, beautiful sunset up here. And a very steep descent to get down and into the water. Whew. I've never seen anything quite like this. What is this? I can't really even comment. I don't know what this is. Looks like there might be... No, it's something totally different. Some very bizarre rock here. In the best way possible. Hey, here's something familiar. Oolitic hematite. We got to witness the entire sunset here, and it's just magnificent. That is one of the coolest sunsets that I've ever had the pleasure to experience. I think experience is the right word. Just waiting for nighttime. So far I'm doing a good job of flying under the radar. The bugs have yet to notice me, which is a miracle in and of itself. Canadian mosquitoes are a force to be reckoned with. And while we close off with yet another video of the beautiful sunset, just an important note that Pebble Beach is not a place you're supposed to take rocks from. There's a sign in the parking lot that explains everything, so just photos and videos only for us while we're here. Alright, now for the kind of spooky nighttime solo exploration part of things, I'm using what's called a shortwave UV flashlight. I think I got this one off Amazon for about $35, and specifically it's a 365 nanometer UV light. This rock that I'm about to show you was pretty fluorescent, but it wasn't quite what I was looking for. True Uper lights or fluorescent soda light have like this strange speckling pattern, and the orange is a lot more vibrant than on this piece right here. Yeah, here's some other rocks that fluoresce as well. I'll pick these up though, maybe we can make a cool little pile of them at the end. piece of wood. Hey, right as I was leaving, I might have found one. Just a real faint glow. That looks like the stuff. No kidding. It's about a little smaller than my foot. And as far as my own frame of reference goes, the biggest ones that I've ever been able to find of these were down in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and they're about the size of the palm of my hand. So this one was pretty substantially large. And here's what it would look like if you tried to find it without the help of the handy UV flashlight. But outside of the one I just showed you, none of the rocks here were super fluorescent. And maybe if someone else comes out here after me with a UV flashlight, they'll discover my little pile. If you guys made it all the way to the end, the best way to help me keep exploring spots like this is to leave a like. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.